Now the topic before us is understanding currency appreciation. An increase in the value of domestic currency relative to other currencies in the foreign exchange market is called currency appreciation. We understand with the help of an example. Suppose we are from India. Here in India, the currency is domestic currency is Indian rupee. We want to purchase US dollars. What is the exchange rate? 1 US dollar is equal to 83 Indian rupee. It is approximate. So, if we want to purchase 1 US dollar, we will have to pay 83 Indian rupee. So, if due to some reasons like political stability, investors' improved confidence, and demand and supply considerations, suppose the Indian rupee appreciates and 80 Indian rupee become equal to 1 US dollar. So this is currency appreciation. Earlier we had to pay 83 Indian rupee to get 1 US dollar. But now we have to pay only 80 Indian rupee to get 1 US dollar. If earlier we were importing a US goods for 1 US dollar, we have to pay 83 Indian rupee. But now when we are importing the same good from USA, we have to pay only 80 Indian rupee. So this is currency appreciation, where the value of our domestic currency increases relative to foreign currencies, and it increases the purchasing power of the residents of the appreciating country. Now the topic before us is currency appreciation. How does it affect the cost of imported goods? Currency appreciation means your domestic currency becomes stronger relative to foreign currencies. It means that we have to take fewer units of our domestic currency to buy the same amount of foreign goods. In essence, the import becomes cheaper for domestic buyers. We will understand the same with the help of an example. Suppose you are a company. Suppose you are a company in USA and you are importing shirts from France. Now we further assume that cost of each shirt is 100 euro. Now we also assume that when we are importing shirts, the exchange rate between US dollar and euro is as 120 US dollars is equal to 100 euro. It is when we are importing. Suppose there is appreciation in currency of US dollar and 100 US dollars become equal to 100 euro after appreciation. Earlier $120 were equal to 100 euro, but the domestic currency of USA, that is US dollars, has appreciated. So 100 US dollars have become equal to 100 euro. Now what is the cost of shirt? Now the cost of shirt is, earlier you had to pay 120 US dollars when you were importing. Now when there is appreciation in domestic currency of US dollars, you have to pay only 100 US dollars. So the cost of imported goods for the foreign buyers, that is the residents of USA, have become cheaper. Imported goods have become cheaper. In the early 2010s, the domestic currency of Japan, yen, had also appreciated. Because of the appreciation of Japanese yen, the cost of Japanese goods have become cheaper for the foreign buyers. As we can understand the same with the help of an example. Suppose a popular smartphone was being imported from, say, USA. Japanese people are importing smartphone from USA, and the cost of one smartphone is 500 US dollars, the cost when they are importing. And earlier, when they are importing, 1 US dollar is equal to 100 Japanese yen. Now the Japanese yen has appreciated. Suppose after appreciation, 1 US dollar is equal to 100 Japanese. So earlier, to purchase or to import a smartphone, Japanese people have to pay 50,000 Japanese yen. Earlier, when there was no appreciation, when the exchange rate was 1 US dollar is equal to 100 Japanese yen. Now, as Japanese yen has appreciated, now the Japanese people have to pay only 40,000, 80 into 500, only 40,000 Japanese yen. So when the currency of any country appreciates, it gives more purchasing power in the hands of the residents of the appreciating country. So imports become cheaper. We hope you might have understood the concept very clearly. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.